Why don't know? My name na soup no dey aka at the verse aka wetin man do man o. You know say I don first tell una say if you want to become a celebrity you must always deal with your towel and have Hennessy. No be small matter o. See this country wey we dey now e no funny again o. We no know where we dey go again o. How can person stay 20 years for one country, document no get, money no get, all your parents don die finish? Wetin dey happen? Una kidnap us? If na kidnapping we dey, make just tell us now, make we know the one wey we dey now, make we know how the country dey go now. Because this country no dey funny again. No be small thing, e no dey funny again. People go dey from here, dey save money, dey go house, make dem take do their mama burial. Your mama wey carry you for 9 months now Europe now, people go dey save money go house, dey do burial. Even some people from here now, dey save money go house, make dem do marriage for them for Nigeria. See my guy go house this December now, no know he no get parents again. He asked them now, where's my mother? They can't go backyard now. They say, this one are your papa grave, this one are your mama grave, this one are your elder brother grave. Even your elder sister at the hospital. We never know whether you will see survive, and I make we leave this small space. What is going on? This document where they had on to give us, what did they do on our good? Even though say na good, make them tell us we go pay. Not be we fed by ourselves, they buy market follow. What did they happen? Not be just plastic, rubber. Why not they greedy? The country now don't mind, don't yakpata, we don't even know where they go now. Coronavirus don't come do you. All news don't come, don't cost anyhow for Nigeria now. To the extent that to cheat on your wife now don't cost. You can no longer cheat on your wife again. Not be smart thing, everything don't cost now. All news they cost. To the extent that you can no longer cheat on your wife again. To cheat on your wife now don't cost. Nobody fit cheat on his wife again now. Even the small girl when I be the you, they cheat on my wife now. I read it yesterday. How far? He tell me, say, bros, everything don't change you. Now, 80K. I say, what? He say, you never hear. If common onions can be 500 naira, full human be like me, what no cost? This is easy to shout. What did they happen? Everything don't cost. Now, I know say make and humble. All men don't humble. Now, any house where you enter, you go see the mass for house. All men don't humble for a wife. Because if you don't humble, if you use that to stab you for 6 months, you go, hey, all those one way they do before now, you go come, they punish you back. Even my neighbor, when we say every day, he must shout. Ta! Don't you know I'm a traditional man? Now, the man don't close now, the wife now, they shout now. The only thing when the man, they feel they talk now, I don't blame you. It will say no be onions when it don't cost. And the woman don't feel understand. Starches don't cost. See, the lady see, if your man come out for 5 hours, no bother, no even search food. Now just packaging. Everybody just the package. You don't do anything because no money to cheat on you. Don't be smarting. No money. You know, so we make with the like to the package. Me not say maybe we'll get searches for outside. So that when from there they respect us. But for this period now, nobody can cheat on his wife again. Because to cheat on your wife don't cost. Everything don't cost. I bet if you love soup, they jam your head together. The one where they invest me now, and person will never suffer, and then they make my pass. They'll say, you don't see suffer, I don't suffer. See, let me tell you, suffer when they our house, we don't suffer to say, Mama, can't they use of borrowing? Mama will send me go the house when near our house, go borrow Grandy stone. I will go there, go borrow Grandy stone, come. If we use and finish, I will see carry for her, can I go back? To the extent that even when my man don't make money, you don't even remember to the buy what he need again. Because you don't dare use of borrowing. What did they happen? The people will say, I don't suffer, I don't suffer. See, the kind of suffer we get for our family. Rat went there our house on the seafood shop. Now we, rat the shop. Person will just wake up in the morning, you go see your brother hand, they leak blood. Rat don't chop him. I say, I don't suffer. You know what it be suffer? See, I dey beg all of una, especially boys when they Europe. See, if you see the opportunity to go out, go visit your parents, and go. People need that your document, they go out, go greet their papa. You know, so a lot of people say for this country, they just hate their parents before. So one just stay here, they don't want to come out again. See, do you know what it be your mother, your parents? When he born you, carry you for 9 months. You go there from here now, the same money go and make do a burial. What did they happen? See, I don't invest. Thank you, my people. This is my time. Please, guys, we are begging, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are begging. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are begging. Please.